Hi everyone, Orla here, your mummy saver. Did you know you'll change up to 6,000 nappies for your little one? And once that newborn stage has passed, it's on to wriggles, rolls, flips and even crawling away. Really frustrating for mum and dad. The Wriggler, multi-award winning changing mat, is a mat with a difference. Perfect for newborns and helps keep nappy changes stress-free, right up to rock and roll toddling. Its clever design will stop that nappy change flip in 3 simple steps. 1. Lie baby on the mat, wrap the bare arms across their body, giving them swaddle-like security, just like a bear hug. 2. Kneel on the attached knee pads to secure a little one and stop that Wriggler flip. 3. Enjoy a stress-free nappy change with free hands to wipe, clean and button that baby grow. Even if baby isn't wriggling yet, this mat is ideal for baby from day one. It can be used as a normal changing mat with soft, cozy headrest for newborns. Plus, it's made from non-toxic materials with an easy, clean, wipeable surface. Perfect for home or on the go. The Wriggler folds away, up nice and easy, ready to pop into your bag. It really is the mat for every change. Available online for $39.99 with free shipping. Perfect for any new parent. Plus, for Baby Doc fans only, get 15% discount using code BABYDOC when ordering. Thanks for watching and happy nappy time everyone.